Brian, we're in Butler, Missouri. At 4:40, we had a severe thunderstorm roll right across the area with some very strong wind gusts and a lot of lightning and driving wind. We were able to get this video for you. Again, this was approximately at 4:40, so 20 minutes ago, as this severe thunderstorm rolled through with measured wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Thankfully, there was no significant wind damage here. We're just off the interstate, if you're familiar with Butler, near the Walmart and the Conoco and the Days Inn. There was some nuisance wind damage, if you will, trash cans that were blown around and whatnot with those 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And as you've mentioned, this could just be one of several rounds of thunderstorms for later this evening, because just because the sun sets doesn't mean that that severe threat will diminish overnight, and I'm sure you'll be detailing that coming up here in just a few minutes. That's live. That's what we got right now here in Butler, Missouri. Brian, we'll send it back to you.